If you're having a problem closing the lid on your Bosch Tassimo My Way 2, it could be one of two things. Both of them are really easy to fix. So the first thing could be that you might have accidentally put the lid in that position there. And when the lid's in that position, it's not going to close. It has to be like this to close the first part, then this thing comes down. The other thing it could be that this is slightly misaligned. So when you were taking the last pod out, you might have accidentally misaligned this like it is now, and you can see that that is not closing. All you have to do is lift it up and then make sure it's fully seated. So this can come out completely really easy when you're up in this position. Not in this position here, it won't come out. It's got to be up in this position. So take it out, maybe give it a clean if it's particularly dirty, and then when you put it back in at that top position there, and it should be allowed to fall nicely like that. And then when you put your pod in, you will find that when you close it, it will now go down fine. And just to show you that earlier, that thing there, if you do that, you can see that when you do that, it's not going to close. It has to be like this to allow it to close. So hopefully, by doing that, it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.